and welcome to Eat These Words. Today I am doing pickled beetroot. I have collected quite an amount of beetroot from my garden and I am just going to chop a few ends off. Now what I would say is when you're doing your pickled beetroot, don't chop the root off and don't chop it as far down as the actual root itself, because we want the colour to stay in the beetroot, and it won't happen if you do that. Make sure you wash it as well to get rid of all the soil and what have you. Next, what we're going to do is pop it into a pan of water, and I've got a pan of water. I'll just pop that to one side. I've got a pan of water here, and I'm utilising my pasta pan because I feel it would work better in this instance. And I'm going to put a splash of red wine vinegar into the mix. So about a tablespoon or two. And about a similar amount of salt. There we go. And that's going to help us start the pickling process. So once you've done that, pop in your beetroot, pop it on the heat, and we're going to cook it for approximately 1 hour until they're all nice and soft. And what we can do is remove the smaller ones as we go along so that they don't overcook. Okay? Once your beetroot is finished cooking, put it to the side and let it cool down. Wash and place in the oven for 20 minutes on gas mark 6. I'll put the conversions on the screen for you. Your jars, because you're going to sterilise them. If you've got one, pull an onion, see, from your garden. Look at that. We'll take 2, shall we? So chop the ends off and peel them. Oops, a daisy. Try and not get covered in them like that. Oh, might be good there. There we go. Take the end off. There we go. Once your beetroot is cooled down, get yourself some gloves. Get yourself 2 dishes and a chopping board, because we're going to peel our beetroot. You need a sharp knife for this, and you're going to cut off its top and cut off its root. Use a chopping board that you don't mind getting dirty, and then if you just gently press your thumb against the skin, it will just come off. See? So, no bother with it at all. To a pan, we're going to add 1 tablespoon of peppercorns. Black if you like them. If you like something else like Szechuan or something, you do you. 1 tablespoon of coriander seed. 10 clove. Go easy on them, they don't have pack a punch. And half to a full teaspoon of chili flakes. Now this is you. If you don't want to do a full teaspoon and not make it too spicy, that's up to you. If you want to make it spicy, you crack on. You could also add a cinnamon stick. You could also add caraway seed. The world is your oyster. You do you. We're going to warm these through gently on the heat until we can smell them. Keep an eye on it. Don't let them burn, and keep them moving around. 350 mils of red wine vinegar. Now, you don't have to use red wine vinegar. You could use apple cider vinegar, white wine vinegar, malt vinegar. You could use anything in that line at all, but I love the smell and the taste of red wine vinegar, so that's what I'm using. And it's taken some time to get it out of the bottle for some reason. I'll turn that right down because I can smell it now. I'm going to check that it is actually 350 mils. It is. Oh, I can hear them popping now. That's what we're aiming for. So I'm just going to pop that to the side of the heat until I'm ready. And I'm going to add another bottle of red wine vinegar. So that's 700 mils of red wine vinegar going in there. To that, add six, sorry guys, it's the vinegar and the spices. 6 tablespoons of brown sugar. And last but not least, 500 mils of water. We're just going to wait for the sugar to dissolve and the liquid to heat up. While that's happening, chop your beetroot and your onion how you want it to be. You could slice them, you could dice them, you could do whatever you wanted to them. This is your pickled beetroot, you do you. Okay, so I chopped my beetroot into cubes and I'm going to mix my onions in with my beetroot. I took my red wine vinegar, water and sugar solution with my spices in off the heat as soon as it was ready. And now what I'm going to do is we'll get rid of that spoon because I don't want it. This is possibly wrong, I don't know, but I've let my jars cool slightly as well, just so I can hold them. Because what I'm going to do is take a jar, it's still hot, but bearable, and fill it up with my beetroot and onion mixture to about there. Because what we want to do is ensure that our vinegar solution covers it. So put it over there and pop it in. And you want to ensure that it covers the top of your, oops, it's warm by the way, not hot but warm. It covers the top of your beetroot. And once you've got that, take your lid and pop it on and give it a good hard seal. And then if it's wet, take a tea towel or whatever you want to use. This is one of my pickling tea towels. And just give it a wipe. And that's your beetroot done. Leave it to cool in your kitchen, and when it's done cooling, you need to put a label on it and put the date on it. It'll last 6 to 8 months unless it's eaten beforehand.